All right, everybody, here is the Humsienk 314 amp hour wall battery, 48 volt. This crate is 335 pounds. Let me get this opened up. All right, everybody, I wanted to show you everything that is included with the Humsienk wall mount battery, the 314 amp hour. Like I said, I do have the front panel off. I'll show you that here in a minute. It comes with a nice manual right off the bat. Very nice printed manual here. Gives you all your specs. The wall mount installation back here, if you do decide to wall mount this. I'm not going to wall mount it. I'm going to leave it on its casters. It tells you all about the touch panel and whatnot. Very well written manual. Also comes with this safety reminder. Says please mount it to the wall so it doesn't tip over. This is extremely heavy battery, coming in right at 300 pounds. So that gives you the Wi-Fi MAC and the Bluetooth information here if you need that. A communication cable to hook between your battery and inverter, or I want to say if you hook two batteries together also you can use this. Comes with some nice wall mount anchors here if you're going into a cement wall, some terminals and stuff, screws. It does come with the 5-foot cables, and these are 2-aught cables here, and it is 5 foot in length as you see, and I have it running up to the 5 kilowatt wall mount battery there. And like I said, these battery cables already had these ends crimped on them from Humsienk. So if you see in a previous video that I put those 2 opposite terminals in there instead of the push-on style, it's got the bolt-on style. And yes, I do have the protective caps. I'm fixing to put on those here shortly. But like I said, these cables here, nice 2-aught cables, nice and flexible silicone, easy to move, easy to maneuver. And also over here, I wanted to show you, it does come with the brackets that I'm not going to use for the wall mount. Casters are super heavy duty, and once you get them in place, you can turn these casters down, and they got little pads. I don't know if you can make that out, that it'll actually sit on instead of the casters. And then it has your communication ports, your links in and out. It has your power button here. It has a ground here if you want to run a ground. And it's got 2 sets of negatives and positives here. And then it's got a big breaker down here. I'm not sure what size of breaker that is. A 200 amp maybe. Yep, 200 amp breaker built in, which is nice. And then of course your 2 handles again on this side. But like I said, 2-aught cables, extremely nice there, included. And they give you some close-ups inside here. Really nice done. You can probably see that blinking blue light up there. That is the Bluetooth up top here. The BMS back there, if you can make it out. Everything is nicely labeled. You should have 0 problems out of these. Batteries last, 10 years, give or take, depending on your cycles. This one's rated at 6,000 cycles to 80% of the capacity. So, and like I said, I'm not going to charge and discharge that every day. So this will last for years and years and years.